Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aggy and today we're going to be making these super delicious deep fried Oreos. This can be a really delicious snack, especially for kids, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe so that you're able to refer to this video anytime you want to make these super delicious Oreo treats. So let's get on with the video. So for these Oreo treats, you're going to need 15 to 20 Oreos, 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 tablespoons of sugar, you can add or reduce, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So in a clean bowl, you're going to sieve in your flour. And then you're going to add in your baking powder. And then you're going to add in also your salt and your sugar. And then you're going to mix it well. The next step is to add in your egg, your cooking oil, your vanilla essence, and then you're going to add in milk gradually. And why you're going to add in your milk gradually is because you want to monitor your butter. You don't want it too runny. So when you're done mixing, always make sure that your butter has this kind of consistency. You don't want it too thick or too thin. So when you're done with your butter, you're going to heat up your oil. And when your oil is nicely heated, you're going to dip in your Oreos into your butter, and you're just going to ensure that they're nicely coated with the butter. And before you deep fry them, always ensure that you drip out the excess butter. And then you're just gonna deep fry them until they're nice and golden brown. And remember not to overcrowd your oil. You can always do 3 to 4 pieces at a time. As you can see, our deep fried Oreos are really nice and golden brown, so we're just going to take them out of the cooking oil. So just repeat the same process with the rest of the Oreos. And when you're done, your Oreos are nicely done. You can see that they're nice and brown, and when you bite them, you can see that the Oreos are there and they have melted, and the cream is just everywhere and it just melts into your mouth. This can be a really nice treat for your kids, especially when you have birthdays and you want them to have like this fantastic snack. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do hit the subscribe button so that you're able to refer to this video anytime you want to make these super delicious deep fried Oreos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Say what you want to say to me now.